How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're new, my name is Hunter Harriet and I do videos on my 2008 GTI as well as my 2019 CBR 600. So today for our install we have a giant skid plate. This will come in handy because it'll protect all the important parts. This is a front wheel drive car, so the transmission is up front, so it'll protect my transmission as well as my oil pan when I lower my car here in about a month. So if I hit anything on the bottom of my car, this thing will eat it up. It's 3/8 inch thick aluminum, so it can take quite a beating. So we're gonna get right into the install and I'll see you guys under the car. All right, so here we are under the car. We got the car jacked up and we already had all of the fender liner taken off, as well as the belly pan that was already on here because it was all scratched up. But if you need to take that off of your car and you still have it installed, it's 5 on each side of T25 screws. Screw those off and then pull it back because it fits in this front here. So our first thing that we're gonna do to install our skid plate here is we're gonna fit it in. So if you can see on the skid plate right here, there's little tabs. So these small tabs come in these grooves right here, and then the bigger tabs go above. So we'll grab that, fit it in there, and get it snug, and then we'll work our way to the back. It's 3 bolts, super simple install. So let's get into it. Just take it, pull it down all the way into these tabs right here. We might need to pull it just a little bit farther, but we'll go towards the back where the 3 bolts are bolted in, or where we're gonna bolt them in, excuse me, and then we'll see if we gotta move it a little bit. All right, guys, once you get to the back here, there's 3 little adjustable holes here, and you're gonna line it up with, there's 3 already pre-threaded holes right here for you in the car. So we're just gonna make it easy and take the middle one. The middle one, there is no spacer needed. So you just take it, hand thread it in, and then we will use a T30 bit to tighten it all the way down once we got all 3 in. But we're just gonna put this one in so that the middle will hold and we don't have to keep holding this up by ourselves. Boom, so now that it's holding itself in, we will grab a spacer and another screw right here. So the spacer, you can see a little bit on this side, there's a gap between the plate and where it's actually gonna mount. So that's what our spacer is for, to give it rigidity. So we're gonna get our spacer in here, line up the holes, and then put it through the spacer and into the hole. Hand thread it in first so you don't cross thread it. Then we'll work on the other side. Again, get the spacer in, match up the holes, and then put your bolt all the way through everything and hand thread it in. Okay, once you got everything hand threaded in, we'll go back with the wrench, start with the middle again, and we'll tighten it down. Just go till it's tight, and then do a little half turn after that. Come to this side. Same thing. And the far side. Now once all three of those are tight, your skid plate is successfully installed. Make sure it's still good up at the front where all the tabs are. And then if you keep your fender liners and you want to keep those, there's holes all along here as well as safety clips that you can use to mount it back to there. But with the 3 bolts, we're going to leave our, with the 3 bolts done, we're going to leave our fender liners off because I am getting new wheels and tires and we might have to remove them anyways when we lower the car. So with that being said, that is a successful install. I will have this specific skid plate linked in the description below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that share button, share it with a friend, put some comments down, and if there's any other information you guys want, you can put it in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. So thanks for watching the video today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.